This is video C19. We're going to do two things. First, construct a square with this given side. Second, we're going to construct a 45, 45, 90 right triangle. All right, so the square is going to have a perpendicular segment here. What I'm going to do is extend this given segment, and then I'm going to force this to be at the midpoint and do the perpendicular bisector thing. So we've done this before in the previous lesson. So again, I will extend this segment, and then I'm going to force this to be the midpoint of that segment. So what I'm going to do is put my pointer here and just arc to the right and arc to the left. And I'll call that point 1 and point 2. Now what I'm going to do with that segment, with endpoints 1 and 2, is just do the perpendicular bisector thing. From point 1, go more than halfway. Arc here. From point 2, use that same setting and arc there. Again, my arcs aren't long enough. X marks the spot. Since I know that is also on the perpendicular bisector, I've got my 2 points, and I can just extend through them. Okay, how far? The same as the given side. So now I will measure the given side. Again, show your arc, and then arc it up here. I did not go far enough. That's okay. I can extend it farther. I now have 3 points of my square. Let me just make sure I did that correctly. It didn't look right. All I gotta do now is find the 4th one. I can do the same procedure over there, but there's a quicker way. I know that this point is the same distance from this point and this point. So here I go. I know it's gotta be this distance. So all of the points on this arc are that distance. All of the points on that arc are the same distance. This must be the 4th and final vertex. I've now constructed a square out of the given side. To review, extend one side, force this point to be the midpoint by arcing each way, construct the perpendicular bisector. This distance and this distance are the same. And then for that last point, just arc from one vertex and the other vertex. But we're not done. We now need to construct a 45, 45, 90 right triangle. This is the easy part. Just simply draw a diagonal. Again, a square had right angles. If you're a square or a rhombus, the diagonal bisects the angles. Half of 90 is 45. So I've now constructed a 45, 45, 90 right triangle. And there you have it, how to construct a square and a 45, 45, 90 right triangle with one given side.